Monkey was visiting his uncle, who he loved going to see very much. Monkey's uncle was a busy astronaut, so visiting him always felt like an adventure. Monkey arrived and was quickly asked by his uncle to go out to the shed to find the box of garden games so they could play fetch. Monkey didn't hesitate and ran straight outside. The shed was full to the brim with lots of things. There was a barbecue, chairs, some golf clubs, a car tire, tools, and even an old rusty bicycle. But the games were nowhere to be found. As he looked around, something caught Monkey's eye. Big and red, shiny and smooth. Monkey had never seen Wellingtons look so amazing. He thought it would be funny to try them on. He put one paw into the right one. Wow, how comfortable, Monkey thought. Then he carefully placed another paw into the left one. Just as his paw hit the bottom of the boot, Monkey felt strange vibrations coming from his feet. Then, up he went, towards the ceiling of the shed. Monkey was floating. He flapped about, completely confused about what was happening. Monkey tried to hold on, but the boots were pulling him fast towards the shed window. "Help! Help! Help! Somebody help!" Monkey barked. He began to float out of the shed window and into the afternoon sky. Monkey's uncle barked, "No, Monkey! Those are my magical moon boots." Monkey's uncle quickly grabbed a long rope and threw it into the sky. "Hold on, Monkey!" Monkey grabbed it with his teeth. "Now pull, Monkey!" Monkey pulled himself down the rope, knot by knot. First one, then two, then three. "Only a couple more," said Monkey's uncle, as he anchored Monkey to the ground. "Now, take them off," he said. Monkey kicked off the boots, and they both tumbled to the ground. Monkey looked relieved. "Monkey, it's important not to touch things that don't belong to you, especially if they are magical moon boots that make you fly." "I think I've done enough flying today. How about some fetch?" said Monkey. They both giggled. Read this story, plus 3 more, including 2 exclusive never-seen-before stories in issue number 1 of The Adventures of Monkey the Spaniel and Friends. The Happy Honey Bear, available in the link in our bio.